Hi, it's Richard in the Old Oakley Workshop. This is a little quick video on the tire lifting board. Time to rotate tires. So there's the front driver's side tire. I got to put it back on that wheel, and I got to line those 5 lugs up. And man, that tire is heavy and it's real hard to do. Now I got a buddy named Clyde. He says, it's a piece of cake. But so far, Clyde hadn't come over here and offered me a piece of cake on this thing. So I made this thing called the tire lifting board, and here it is. It is nothing more than a 2x4 with a handle on one end of it. So let's see how this tire lifting board works. Here's the tire lifting board in place, and now I'm going to attempt to put this tire on there. So I'm going to roll it over here. I'm going to place it on the tire lifting board, and I'm going to try and line up those lugs with the holes in the tire as best I can. It looks pretty good. I'll lift this thing up, grab a hold of the handle, lift it up, and come on, baby. There we go. All right, took a little bit to get it on there, but there you go, you get the idea. So there you go. That's all there is to the tire lifting board. I told you it was a quick video. Thanks for watching. See the oldoakleyworkshop.com for more information. See you next time.